Welcome to this presentation of the Tattoo Rewrite, the new generation printer for Evolis rewritable cards. Sleek design and advanced technology. This new generation printer maintains the innovative Evolis image along with an environmentally friendly approach. What is rewritable card technology? A printer using this type of card has no ribbon. On the card surface there is a thermosensitive material which makes text, data, and graphics visible or erases them depending on the printhead temperature. With this reversible process, a card can be printed and erased up to 500 times. The card thus becomes recyclable and temporary information can be printed on it. It is also ideal for cases where the data written on the card have to change regularly. If so, the variable data are erased, then updated. Tattoo Rewrite is the perfect answer for personalizing rewritable badges. With this printer, you can invest in badges for long-term use even when they change all the time. It is ideal for printing cards that are regularly modified, such as bonus points or upcoming promotions on loyalty cards, credit remaining on a public transport card, lists of books borrowed on library cards. They enable immediate reuse of visitor badges, temporary worker access badges, and access badges for events like exhibitions, conferences, and even inaugurations. Tattoo Rewrite can also be used for recording magnetic strips and encoding non-contact smart cards. In addition to its many applications, Tattoo Rewrite has several significant advantages. Tattoo Rewrite is a printer of the sustainable development generation. Since it doesn't have a ribbon, Tattoo Rewrite has far less impact on the environment. With the rewrite principle used, the card has a much longer service life. With Tattoo Rewrite, we can reuse plastic cards instead of throwing them away. Tattoo Rewrite enables costs to be reduced, since cards can be printed as required, depending on what's needed for regular use and for current events. For example, for 100 cards purchased, several thousand badges can be printed at no extra cost. This is a real saving for the user. Another advantage is that the card becomes modifiable and comes to life with Tattoo Rewrite. With this technology, you can erase and reprint just the data you need to change. You don't have to erase everything to reprint everything. In addition, with the new black cards, any barcode printed with Tattoo Rewrite can be reread. This printer can, in a few seconds, erase, record data onto a magnetic stripe or encode it on a chip and reprint data. The card is immediately updated. Tattoo Rewrite is the daily companion of your cards, all through their life. For your customer loyalty programs, the rewritable card is an innovative marketing tool, contributing instant interactivity. The card becomes a personal communication channel between your brand name and your customer. You can add details about current promotions and even invite the holder back to see you on his birthday. Why not? It is an interactive, dynamic way to keep close to your customers day by day. Tattoo Rewrite is a high-tech, practical, and reliable product because of its new features. It is compact and can be installed where you like, at a company reception desk or beside the checkout in a shop. Cards can be printed one at a time through the front-loading slot or in small batches using its rear card feeder output hopper supplied as standard. Tattoo Rewrite has already proved itself on the world market, in chain stores, leisure centers, in public transport applications, and in many organizations. Tattoo Rewrite, with a new generation of card types, is extremely flexible and efficient. It provides a very innovative answer that combines economic and environmental criteria.